Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Ragnarok Crush crashing on Android devices or keep stopping or not launching on your phone. So let's go ahead. The first method suggested is to restart your phone. For that, simply click on power button and volume up button, and this kind of interface will open. Simply click on restart, and once your device restarts, launch the game and check if this works for you. If not, the second is to force close the game. If you are playing the game and then such kind of issue occurs, simply click on 3-line icon, and here you can see the game is in the background. Simply click on cross option and this will force close the game as well. After this, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, you need to force stop the game. For that, simply tap on the game icon and then click on I option here, and then you can see force stop option. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. This will force stop the app completely. After this, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then try to clear cache of the game. So simply click on storage and cache, and here you can see clear cache option. Simply click on it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, you need to check if the game needs any kind of update. The next method is to update your game. For that, you simply need to go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for the game, that is Ragnarok Crush, and here you need to check if there is any update available for the game. If any update is there, simply click on update option and your game will be updated to the latest version. After this, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the next method is to update your device. For that, you need to go to settings, go below and look for system update. Here you should check if your device needs any update. If any update is available, simply click on update option, and once your device is updated, try to launch the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, then the final method suggested is to reinstall the game. For that, you simply click on the game icon, and here you can see delete icon. Simply click over here and then click on uninstall option. Doing this will remove the game from your device. Now go to Google Play Store, search for the game, and there you need to click on install option. Once you install the game, try to launch the game and then check if this solution works for you. I hope all these methods will work to fix the issue you are facing while playing the Ragnarok Crush game on your Android devices. So that's all for now. Thank you.